Okay, so let's get ourselves a Clickfunnels account. All right, we're going to need it obviously to get everything to run up. Now you do know that Clickfunnels is a premium software, premium platform, so you're going to end up, of course, having to pay monthly for it. But if you click the link, it's a link that's going to be in a note somewhere, but it's also just nicktsai.com. So that's nicktsai.com/cf. You're going to be able to get 14 days free trial, right? So you don't need to pay anything for 14 days. So go to that link, follow that link, and then you'll end up on this page. Now what you can do is you can click, if you follow the link on the start your 14 days free trial, so you can just go ahead and click on start free trial. They have, multiple, oh boy, no. Okay, they have multiple options, right? So obviously this one on the right is more, in depth. So if you're really, looking to invest, you get, more options here. You get Clickfunnels, but you also get the backpack, and you also get, I don't know how this is called, but basically more tools and more funnels. But really, I would just recommend starting with this one. So just click on it, enter your full name. So in my case, Howard Lynch. Enter your email address. Choose a password. Click on create my Clickfunnels account. Now you do need to enter a phone number. You do need to enter a credit card number, that information. So it does bill you after the 14 days. So I would suggest, just in case, adding, like, for example, a reminder on your phone to cancel if you don't want it to be automatically, if you don't want you to get automatically billed $100, right? So there you go. You can add an upsell here. Don't do it, whatever you want, and then click on start my 14 days free trial. So that's how easy it is. So I'll see you in the next video.